Hello everyone. In today's video I will show you how to remove all ads from YouTube and all other sites. Stay until the end, it's easy. I will show you how you can do this for Chrome and Mozilla browser. The plugin we need to install is called uBlock Origin. Let's add it to the Mozilla browser. Open Mozilla and type Mozilla extensions. Open the first link. In the search field, type uBlock Origin and press the Enter button. Open the first option. Click the Add to Firefox button. In the pop-up window, click Add, and in the second, click OK. All ads are now removed from Mozilla browsers. To do the same on the Chrome browser, we need to type Chrome Web Store. We choose the first option. In the search field, type uBlock Origin and press the Enter button. You choose the first option. We click the Add to Chrome button. In the pop-up window, click Add Extension. One file will be downloaded, after which Chrome will add the extension to the browser. That is all. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.